Hello everyone, thank you for clicking my first video on YouTube. In today's video, I would like to share about my opinions and arguments about one topic, that is how telephones have made communication more effective. But before I explain that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Komang Agiastini and I am from the class of Diploma 4 State Financial Management 201 with my NPM number is 4131. 210036 and my attendance number is 17. That's all about my introduction. Now let's move to the topic. Okay, first of all, we all know that telephone is a tool that makes people interact and communicate quickly. The existence of telephone is all because of the technology development that made the revolution of letters until the telephone that we use now. Telephone has so many functions that affect all of the sectors in our life and has some categories such as house phone that connects with a wired connector and a smartphone that is used by a lot of people around the world to communicate. So from the existence of telephone, it has made communication more effective. According to my opinion, there are three reasons why it happens. And the first argument that is about the functions the telephone has, which allow people to interact in different places without seeing each other. It also able to reduce cost of transportation and saving time and energy from any movement happens to meet people. It also overcomes any distance problem and make activities be done quickly and efficiently. For the example, when we are doing any discussing assignment, solving any problem that need to be solved quickly, etc. So if it is in the past we use a letter to communicate, now we have telephone that is more convenient for people to get quick response just by calling or sending a message. And my second argument is that one of the categories of telephone that is making communication more accessible on many social media platforms. It connects with the internet that makes us able to interact with society by communicating through information or questions we share there. So there is the reason why communication become more effective. That is because one of the example from a company that does not need to promote their product directly, but just using a social media to post it with no cost. So it is an effective way to communicate with old or new customers to interact flexibly through social media. And the last but not least, my third argument, that is telephones build a good relationship with others by communicating intensely and clearly to avoid any misunderstanding. So the intense communication can be reached by using telephone that we share an impersonal information that contains a secret and sensitive information that is only shared between each other. And also, it avoids any misunderstandings just by hearing the voice tone that we hear from our friends, and we know, and it shows the emotions that it happens, which is maybe it's a happy, sad, or an angry one. And it's just also for some people here who is facing a long distance relationship, a telephone has become an effective tool to communicate intensely. So our relationship will become at another level just because using the telephone as a communication tool. And after all of the arguments before, now we jump to the conclusion. In conclusion, telephone has made communication more effective by overcoming distance problems, using social media to interact, and making a good relationship. So that's all about my arguments about how telephones can make communication more effective in this era. I would like to apologize if there is any mistakes that I made. Thank you for watching my videos, and I am Linda, and see you in next time. Bye.